Let's learn how we can factorize quadratic trinomials. So what are quadratic trinomials? Quadratic equation means something which contains a square in the term, that's called x square. And the trinomial is it contains three terms. For example, x square plus 4x plus 5. Term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. Three terms. This is called quadratic trinomials. Now how are we going to factorize this? So there's a method. Let me explain you how. Let me take an example and explain. So x square plus 5x plus 6. When you have a quadratic trinomial like this, what you do is you take the last term 6 and write the factors. To write the factors, this is an easy method. So I will just write 1 here and I will see 6, 2, 3. So I want to see what all numbers multiplied together you will get 6. So this is 2 and 3 and that is it. Now I find out the pairs added together will give me 5. So 1 plus 6 is not, 2 plus 3 is yes. Okay, added together it will get 5. So I found these are the two numbers. Now what I'll do is like I will write this 5x as a combination of 2x and 3x which I get from here. So what I'm going to do is x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. Okay, so this is, I just split it like this. Okay, now I combine these two because I know how to factorize four terms. Okay, so what I will do is like x times x plus 2 plus 3 times x plus 2, that's equal to x plus 2 times x plus 3. Simple. Okay, now there's one more thing. If the coefficient of x, okay, here the coefficient of x is 1 or there's no other term here, what you can do is like once you find out that it is 2 and 3, you can directly write the answer as x plus 2 x plus 3. Okay, there's nothing, no other things you need to manipulate. You can just directly write like this. Okay, but otherwise you can do these processes and then you can get the answer. So let me try another example. X square plus 8x plus 12. So 12 I'm going to factorize. It is 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. That's it, right? Which all added together you will get 8. It is 2 and 6. So I can rewrite this, which is like 8 square plus 2x plus 6x plus 12. And then I can combine these two, which is x times x plus 2 plus 6 times x plus 2. Okay, that is equal to x plus 2 times x plus 6. Next question, x square plus 9x plus 14. Factorize 14, which is 1 and 14, 2 and 7. That is it. Which added together will get 9, 2 and 7. So I'm just going to write it like this. So it is x square plus 2x plus 7x plus 14. I'm going to combine these two, x times x plus 2 plus 7 times x plus 2. That's equal to x plus 2 times x plus 7. Okay, now moving on to some other question. Okay, let me just try this also. X square plus 11x plus 30. So 30, 1, 30, 2, 15, 3, 10, 5 and 6. So what added will get 11? 5 and 6. That's equal to x square plus 5x plus 6x plus 30. Combine these two, x times x plus 5 plus 6 times x plus 5. That is equal to x plus 5, x plus 6. Okay. Now one variation of this is when you have negative numbers. Let's see how it will work. So 12, 1, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. These are the factors of this. Now you have to get minus 7. Two numbers added together should get minus 7. So what you will do here, you can put negative numbers anywhere. So try out this number combination which added together will get minus 7. So I understand that it is minus 3 and minus 4. So this combination will work. So I can write this as x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. That then I'm combining these two, so it's like x times x minus 3, then minus 4 times x minus 3, that is equal to x minus 4 times x minus 3. Okay, now the complexity of this increases when you have to work with expressions which have the coefficient on the x square. So 2x square minus 7x plus 3. So now what you should do is you should multiply these two numbers. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, and then factorize it. So 2 times 3 6 is 1 and 6 2 and 3. Okay, out of which what will give you minus 7? It is 1 and 6, and it should be negative. Yeah, so it should be negative 1 and negative 6. So then I can write this as 2x square minus 1x minus 6x plus 3. And then to simplify this, I will try with this. So it is try with this combination. So it is x times 2x minus 1 minus 3 times 2x minus 1. So that is equal to x minus 3, 2x minus 1. Okay, the method is the same. Only thing is that first you have to multiply. So let's try another question. 3x square minus 17x plus 10. So multiply these two. That is 30. Write down the factors. 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. Minus 17. What will get you minus 17? So it is minus 2 and minus 15. So I'm going to rewrite this as 3x square minus 2x minus 15x plus 10. That's equal to x times 3x minus 2. Then here minus 5 times 3x minus 2. That is equal to x minus 5, 3x minus 2. I'll do one more question on this. 3x square minus 14x plus 15. So multiply these two, which will get you 45. Factorize it. 1 and 45, 3 and 15, 5 and 9. And what will get you minus 14 is 5 and 9. But remember, since there's a minus, you have to have this minus 5 and minus 9. So I'm just going to rewrite this as 3x square minus 5x minus 9x plus 15. And here the x is the common factor. So it is 3x minus 5. And here 3 is the common factor. So it is 3x minus 5. That is equal to 3x minus 5 and x minus 3.